Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add Revolut card in Apple Wallet. So if you want to add your Revolut card to your Apple Wallet, here's a simple workaround for that. But before we get started, make sure you follow the step and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So the first thing to do is to open the Revolut app on your iPhone and make sure you log into your account. Then tap the card tab at the bottom of the screen, then select the card, which is physical card or virtual card, depends on how you want. If it is physical you want to use, no problem. If it is virtual card, no problem. So after that, tap add to Apple Wallet, then follow the on-screen instruction to confirm and complete the setup. So once added, you will see a confirmation that your Revolut card is now in Apple Wallet. So you can now use Apple Pay to make countless or contactless payment anywhere it's accepted. And alternatively, you can also add your Revolut card using this method. Open your Apple Wallet app, then tap the plus icon, then choose the debit or credit card option, then scan your Revolut card or enter the details manually, then follow the prompt to verify it. But make sure your iPhone has Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode enabled before adding your card. And that's how you can easily add Revolut card in Apple Wallet. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.